Hey everyone, my name is Paul, and today I'll show you how to change the battery in your scooter. This is the Honda Elite 110. It was only sold in the United States in 2010, but the rest of the world knows it as the Lead 110. The battery is behind this front cover. Use a Phillips screwdriver to get the front screw out, then 2 more screws above the fender. The last 2 screws are here. Pull the cover straight forward. You can use a Phillips screwdriver or an 8mm socket on the battery terminals. Disconnect the negative terminal first, then the positive, and watch out for spiders! Use a 10mm socket to remove the 2 bolts from the front of the battery holder. Pull the holder up, then out. Now you can remove the battery. There are 2 types of batteries, lead acid and lithium iron. Lithium batteries are much smaller but can hold more power. Notice the battery on the left is rated at 6 amp hours and the one on the right is rated at 9 amp hours. The left battery fits the Honda Elite 110 scooter perfectly, but the smaller one will need some spacers. Lithium batteries come with foam pads to help them fit. Lithium batteries are a newer technology than lead acid and cost a lot more. They're much lighter weight and don't need to be charged in the winter. They also don't contain liquid, so the battery will never spill. They have some pretty big disadvantages though. A simple short circuit can destroy your battery. If you accidentally touch the wrong wires together or drop a wrench, it can cost you $100. If the scooter's charging system doesn't work right, you can also destroy the battery. A lead acid battery is much cheaper but heavier. These batteries are more idiot-proof because hooking stuff up wrong or shorting wires doesn't ruin them right away. You have to use a trickle charger in the winter or the battery dies. Forever. A lead acid battery has lead plates inside and is full of sulfuric acid. The acid can spill out if you drop your scooter. A better version of this battery uses an absorbed glass mat, or AGM. The acid is absorbed into a fiberglass and lead cloth and it won't spill out. This kind of battery is stronger and can handle vibration better. When you buy a battery, check to see if it's factory filled. Some batteries come with acid in a separate container and you have to fill it yourself. If you do it wrong, your battery won't last long. Also, acid is dangerous. Factory-filled batteries are ready to go and cost the same amount. A lead-acid battery's life starts when it's filled, so a factory-filled battery could be bad if it sat at the store for a long time before you bought it. I'm doing a search on Amazon for YTX7L-BS. That's my battery size. This zip battery is cheap, it's factory filled, ready to go. The reviews say it's pretty good, and it's the right size. Okay, here I have my new battery. Just kidding, it's my old one. Anyway, just set it into the battery holder and push the bracket over the hook behind the battery. It should snap into place. Use the 10mm socket to tighten the battery holder. Connect the positive terminal first. You might need to push the nut up with a small screwdriver so the bolt can grab it. Hook up the negative wire. Again, the small screwdriver is helping with the nut. The front cover slides straight on and I'm tightening the front screw first. There are 2 screws down by the fender, and the last 2 are here. That's it. Changing the battery is very easy. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video.